Forest River 26 SS. Dual propane tanks up front, large front storage, manual stab jacks, outdoor cooking area with a refrigerator and ice maker, outdoor shower, large awning, dual axles. Let's go right inside. Rear kitchen with lots of windows around, farm style sink, 12-volt fridge with bottom freezer, stove top with air fryer, convection oven, microwave, all in one. Large pantry. Large slide out with dinette in it that makes down into a bed. Behind your TV, a big pantry. Fireplace, also a good source of heat. More storage. Walk down the hallway. Large stand-up shower with skylight. Foot pedal toilet. Sink with more storage. Vanity. King bed with wardrobe. And lots more storage. Come by Lightnin RV in Lawrenceville, Georgia to check out the all-new 2025 26 SS by Forest River.